Music of the Renaissance period, year 1400s to 1600s. The term Renaissance comes from the word renaître, which means rebirth, revival, and rediscovery. Renaissance period. Invention of music printing helped in the concept improvisation within the performance practice. Printed descriptions of instruments and their discussions of tuning and techniques supplied the needs of professional and non-professional musicians. Churches and aristocratic courts hired musicians as composers, performers, and teachers. Composers who found ways to make vocal music more expressive of the text they were setting. Secular music absorbed techniques from sacred music and vice versa. Here are the famous composers of Renaissance period. Giovanni Pierluigi da Palestrina. Thomas Morley. Music of the Baroque period, 1685 to 1750. The word Baroque is derived from the Portuguese word barroco, which means pearl of irregular shape. Baroque period. Common practice, tonality, harmony, rhythm, and duration. Composers experimented with finding a fuller sound for each instrumental part or orchestra. Orchestra consists of strings, woodwinds, brass, keyboards, and percussion. Here are the famous composers of Baroque period. Johann Sebastian Bach, Antonio Vivaldi, George Friedrich Händel.